an existing customer record. Shortcuts Live helps you to maintain important connections with your clients by keeping client details up to date. In this lesson, you'll learn how to search for a client, locate the client's details, and edit the client's record. From Operations, select Customers. Type the first few letters of the client's surname into the search field. Select the client from the list, and the current details will be displayed. Enter Edit Mode and update the client information as required. Click Done to save. In this lesson, you've learned how to search for a client, locate the client's details, and edit the client's record.